So how much longer can the technology juggernaut run? Joining us tonight is Paul Meeks. He's portfolio manager with Independent Solutions Wealth Management. Paul, always good to see you. Thanks for joining us tonight.
My pleasure.
And you're actually a little cautious on tech right now, aren't you?
Yeah, I tried to be honest, Bill, with everybody. And the way I look at it, with the mega run we've had in some of these names, not every stock within the tech sector, but the bulk of them, particularly in these indices that are market cap weighted, which means the largest companies get the most weight and drive the indices more than any other names. They've really had, not recently, but all year long, some big runs. And so the way I look at it is folks should probably have a tech portfolio that is no more weighted, an equity portfolio that's no more weighted to tech than the overall market. Right now, that's about 33%.
Right.
So if you look at your portfolio and it's more than a third dominated by these names, I think you should probably consider taking some profits.
Now, are you just talking about the big guys out there? I mean, technology, let's face it, is a very large umbrella. There are a number of sectors within that area. But I imagine you're focusing on the high-profile names that have done so well here. Is that the idea?
That's a very good point, Bill. So first of all, you have the tech sector. And then about a year ago, the S&P spun off communications services,
right,
which has other social media type names. And then you even have a couple of stocks like Amazon, for example. It's not in either of those sectors. It's in consumer discretionary. So you're absolutely right. Over time, these innovators have broadened, and the definition of tech is much broader than when you and I first spoke 20 years ago.
Thanks for the reminder. Are there groups within technology, though, right now where you're seeing trends where there is real growth? And I don't want to, give you any, I don't want to lead the witness here, but are you seeing any trends right now that you would invest in, technology-wise?
Yeah, it's a good question. So overall, I'm a little bit hesitant given the valuations. But at the outset, in your intro, you talked about semiconductors. And even though semiconductors have performed quite well, they came from a very low base, because the semiconductor industry has really been in a funk for a couple of years. I think the semiconductor industry within the technology sector is going to be your best performer going forward. And so, yes, I do see there's some values there.
All right. Paul Meeks, who doesn't seem to age in the last 20 years with Independent Solutions Wealth Management. Thanks for joining us again tonight, Paul.
See ya.